Healthcare stocks overall are a drag on the market after President Biden said the pandemic was over in a 60-minute interview. Let's break down these moves with Jefferies biotech analyst Michael Yee. Michael, is that why Moderna and other vaccine makers are down so much?
Well, hey, great to be here with you, Sarah. Two things going on. One is, as we've talked about previously, the market is going to have to accept that the biggest wave of COVID injections are behind us. And, certainly the U.S. and other countries are going to want to move forward. And therefore, the demand and the promotion of these vaccines is going to continue to wane. And certainly, I think Wall Street's care about vaccine sales is going to start to melt out of the stock. You talk about air coming out of the stock. And I would say that that has to more fully come out of the Moderna stock price. The second is really interesting, too, is that next year, Biden is talking about, going to a commercial market and government not paying for these vaccines as well. Another sign that, the focus on paying for all this in the pandemic is moving behind us.
I have to give you a chance to do a victory lap because this has been your case. Even on those days where Moderna was running higher, people were so excited about the recurring revenue of multiple boosters and targeted boosters like Omicron. So you've been on hold forever and have a $170 price target. We're now at $127. So are you going to take it lower from here?
Well, look, a stock has come way in. What I will tell you is I've had a lot of dialogue with investors to say, look, I wish we could get past the COVID stuff. I wish we could pull all of the COVID, hoopla out of the stock and at some point trade with hopes of a pipeline and all of the other things that they have, which they hosted an R&D day and analyst day a week ago, of which we did put out a note saying there is a lot of stuff coming. We need to move past this COVID. I think we got to get past the winter where basically we're going to find out there's not that many jabs going on. And as we turn to 2023, you start looking at the stock price around 100, 115, which is about cash of 20 billion and a little bit 10, 20 billion of COVID in there. And you're basically getting 43 programs for free. So look, I think there's still more that can come out of the stock. However, at some point, people are going to pay an interest to everything else coming on that RSV data, flu data, cancer data, all of this stuff next year. But I think you're right. We're getting close. We're getting close.
40 billion, I think. You want to see it get to 40 billion market cap. Then you'll be interested? Is that right?
Below 40 billion, I can see value there.
Got it. Michael Yee, thank you very much on Moderna.